A federal high court sitting in Abuja on Tuesday declined a review of bail applied by the suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police Abba Kyari and 4 others. Abba Kyari and his co-defendants are standing trial for alleged drug trafficking preferred against him by the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. He was arraigned alongside 4 suspended police officers including ACP Sunday Ubia, ASP James Bauer, Inspector Simon Agiriba and Inspector John Nuhu. Speaking with journalists after the court session, Nuraini Jibril, one of the counsels of the suspended Super Cup, said the application for a bail review was due to a threat to their lives following the Kuje jailbreak that took place on July 5, 2022.
We have taken the opportunity of speaking with our clients shortly and they have given us the consent to take appropriate steps. We will sit down together and consider it. But for purposes of record, we did not make application for bail to court. The application we made to court is application for review of bail, considering the threat to their life and the recent jailbreak. And this call for the interplay of the administration of criminal justice, as well as prison congestion, as well as the section 66 of the Constitution, the inherent power of the court to reconsider bail where there's a circumstance. In this circumstance, we feel strongly that we are entitled to be released on bail on a reconsidered view.
Responding to a question regarding the legal team's next line of action, Jibril said it will be communicated in due time. Here is Michael Mbanefo, the lawyer representing the third defendant, ASP James Bauer, reacting over the rejected bail application.
Well, my client has been denied bail before now. I have a bail application, further bail application before the court, but from the posture of the court, it appears that nobody will be granted any bail. However, I do not want to accuse the court or undermine the position of the court, but the proper thing to do is that if I feel that we are aggrieved, why not? We will go to appeal. Other than that, the accelerated hearing which has been granted by the court, we are ready. It's a question of law and fact, and not a question of any form of vituperation that will undermine the position of rule of law. What is important is that the judge is willing and able to proceed with the matter and on time, as a matter of fact, and we're ready to dispense of it. I as defendant counsel to the third defendant, is also willing and able to defend my client to the letter and make sure that he secures freedom at the end of the day. And not to sit at my own comfort zone and begin to say maybe the court is taking position or not. What is important is that the law is strict on it, that the judge has to declare the law and not to make any law.
Presiding Judge Justice Emeka Nwite in his judgment said the applicants failed to present sufficient materials and evidence to warrant the granting of the application. Justice Nwite also fixed October 19th, 20th and 21st as the trial date. Recalling on Monday, Justice Inyekwo of the Federal High Court Abuja had dismissed a suit filed by the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami on behalf of the federal government seeking to extradite the suspended DCP to the United States. Defense counsel Nuraini Jibril, addressing his client's extradition, said, "It was an attempt to attack our client. It was incompetent and was struck out and dismissed together with no merit. The basis of the findings is that there is also a subsistent criminal case filed by the same Attorney General before filing the extradition application. The Honorable Attorney General is the chief law officer of the country and he knows all the laws of the country, and in order to protect the municipal law of Nigeria, it is important that we do not use the United States law to trample, disrespect and disregard our constitution." Kyari was charged as one of the co-defendants linked to a $1.1 million fraud case involving Ramon Abbas alias Hush Puppy. The charges preferred on Kyari indicated his role with conspiracy to commit wire fraud, money laundering and identity theft.